WRUN 578. We're going to do something we haven't done in a while. We're going to do a little unboxing video. Got a HT here from the old Amazon. Just going to get right into it here. Yeah, there we go. We've got a Baofeng. Don't need no instructions. Get those out of here. Here it is. Got a 17Pro. Make that right here. There we go. All right. Oh, nice. Screws in. Maybe. Right tool, right? Huh. Didn't know I was gonna need a screwdriver. Try that again. There we go. Had I known I was going to need a screwdriver, I would have been prepared. Let's see if that's good enough to at least get it turned on. Yeah. Ooh. This is the reason why I bought it. The number font. Getting a Yaesu without the Yaesu price. Now the other performances aren't going to be... Wait. It's not as good as others, but that's alright. Yaesu font. Let's see what else we got. Big O antenna. Shorter one. Belt clip. Cradle. Looks like it is not USB-C from the cradle. Ah, look at that. They gave me a screwdriver. Bracelet. Undercover headset. And a USB-C charging cable. Ah, look at that, right on the battery. Fantastic. USB-C charging right on the battery. Whatever. Yeah. So we're gonna have to download the programming software. Looks like it's on firmware 1.07. I've already looked online and I think they're up to 1.11. Yeah, looks like there's not much to it. Looks like everything's spelled right. Usually there's one. Oh, yeah, there it is. Instead of Roger beep, it's a Podger beep. We're going to go ahead and turn that on, because Not a Rubicon says you must always turn your Roger beep on. Oh yeah, dual watch, definitely want that on. There you have it. Let's see if the box gives any information. No. I'll stick a link to this in the description. It is the 17H Pro. It's the GPS version. You want to get the Pro if you want the font like that. Push to talk, flashlight, that's important. Ooh, it's at the bottom this time. That's kind of cool. Haven't had one with a radio with the light on the bottom. Flashes. FM radio. Coolness. Looks like you got your standard headphone jack, yeah. That doesn't open. Goes in the cradle, USB-C charging, belt clip. Symbol for GPS. Of course, you got your antenna. Ooh, I like when my antennas come already bent. Saves me the trouble. Oh, looks like we're not in VFO mode. That's all right. Yep, channel mode.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11.
Oh, cool. All right, WRUN 578 with the Baofeng 17 Pro with that awesome Yaesu-like copy clone font.